Fibratec technical fibres are manufactured from a special type of alkali-resistant glass which has the highest zirconium content in the world, over 17%. The perfect substitute for steel mesh in concrete slabs. With only 1 kilogram per meter cubed, Fibratec fibres can replace steel in concrete footpaths, patios and pavements. With 2 or 3 kilograms per meter cubed, Fibratec fibres can replace steel mesh in industrial floors, driveways, car parks, service stations, recycling centres and other external ground slabs. This application is quick and simple. Fibratec fibres are added to the fresh concrete at site at a rate of 2 or 3 kilograms per minute, with the truck mixer drum rotating at maximum speed. After adding the fibres, mix for a further minute or two and the concrete is ready. That's it. Execution is fast and simple. Normally, the welded steel mesh is placed first. By using Fibratec fibres, the time taken to do that is completely eliminated. We don't have to waste time positioning, adjusting, and connecting any steel mesh, making the job much easier. In the traditional method, the welded steel mesh must be placed on supports to ensure that it is embedded in the concrete. The problem is that once the supports are in place, we no longer have access over the steel mesh because it would deform and be pushed down. The advantage of using Fibratec fibres is that this problem is completely eliminated. In addition, the fibres are dispersed throughout the mass of the concrete, so their reinforcing effect is distributed in 3 dimensions. The fibres are easy to transport and economic to store. We avoid cutting steel mesh around columns and other obstacles and in areas with difficult shapes. When it's a covered car park with columns and other obstacles, you have to cut and straddle the steel mesh. We also avoid mesh placement problems on sloping terrain and with varying thicknesses. Fibratec fibres leave no trace on the surface and are totally compatible with polished and printed finishes. They help prevent micro cracks and increase tensile resistance. With Fibratec fibres, it's goodbye to steel mesh, saving both time and money.